Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Milwaukee Grinder is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can find on the market, perfect for a wide range of grinding, cutting, and polishing applications. In this video, we will deep dive into the features, performance, and overall value of this amazing tool, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your needs and budget, considering different models and accessories available. Number 5. Milwaukee 2780-20 M18 Fuel Grinder. This is the Milwaukee 2780-20 M18 Fuel Grinder, designed for superior performance and durability. It's built to handle the toughest jobs with ease. It features a POWRSTAT brushless motor, delivering maximum power and an incredibly long motor life, up to 10 times longer than traditional motors. RedLink Plus Intelligence provides optimized performance and overload protection, ensuring smooth operation and maximizing the tool's lifespan. While sold separately, the compatible Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery pack offers extended runtime and work capacity, doubling the performance compared to other batteries. Experience the power of a corded grinder, without the cord. It's the world's first cordless grinder with corded-level performance. It boasts the same robust metal housing and gearing system as our legendary corded grinders, ensuring lasting durability and reliability. With its 100% tool-free design, changing accessories and adjusting the guard is quick and easy, saving you valuable time. The comfortable paddle switch design makes it easy to use in various positions, reducing fatigue and improving control. What we like. It boasts an incredibly durable brushless motor that outlasts others by a factor of 10. If you need a grinder that can handle tough jobs day in and day out without giving up, this is it. This is the best option for professionals who demand the highest level of performance and longevity from their tools. What people say. Better than expected power. It has enough power to remove metal pretty quickly. The brake feature works well and stops the wheel in a couple seconds or less. The tool is comfortable in the hand and vibrates very little. It also has a look and feel of being well made. I've used a lot of angle grinders, and I'm shocked at how easy this one is to control. The Milwaukee spins up quick and smooth and does so really quietly. The brake feature is actually my favorite part. About a second after you let off, it slows the disc down pretty quickly. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Grinder. This powerful grinder is built for professionals. Its innovative design makes it easy to use and maintain. The paddle switch is easily activated, even with gloves on. This ensures comfortable and convenient operation. The unique L-shaped molding near the wheel prevents debris from clogging the internal components. It keeps it running smoothly. Adjust the guard quickly and easily with the push of a button. It's perfect for various cutting applications. The included 3-position side handle provides maximum stability and control. This enhances your safety and precision. It's compatible with various M1818V lithium-ion batteries. This gives you flexibility and power. The 4-pole motor delivers maximum power for efficient cutting and grinding. Get the job done quickly and effectively. It features overload protection to prevent damage to both the tool and the battery. This ensures a long lifespan for your investment. What we like. This model features a convenient paddle switch for easy operation, even with gloves. The debris baffles keep the internal components clean, extending the tool's life. If you value ease of use and tool longevity, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Great quality tool, wish it had the variable speed switch, otherwise an excellent grinder. Regardless of the brand, grinders take a lot of battery. This grinder is way good, for small-medium jobs. If you are doing large jobs, a 110-volt cable grinder would be better. I use this every day at work with a 5Ah battery, for grinding off dicer off of fixtures on RV roofs. I can do about 10 or so fixtures before my battery needs changed. I have a regular grinder, but I wanted no cord in the way when I attached my Binford 5000 chainsaw carving blade onto this sleek device. It handles the chainsaw blade like a champ. Remember, no bearing down into the wood. You will likely regret it. Glide smoothly over the surface and it will remove wood. Shield gives good protection from the aggressive blade, which will eat up batteries, by the way, so keep one on the charger. I have no complaints, honest. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 2680 Grinder Kit. It delivers maximum power for efficient cutting and grinding. Experience unmatched performance in your hand. Enjoy the portability and ease of use it offers. Work anywhere without being tied down to a power cord. It features a comfortable paddle switch, making it easy to use in any position. Your comfort is our priority. Its durable construction and L-shaped intake vents protect it from debris, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's ready to tackle any job. This kit includes everything you need: the tool, battery, and charger. You're ready to grind right out of the box. Experience the ultimate in cordless grinding power and convenience. This is the tool that will transform your workflow. What we like. It's a complete kit that comes with everything you need to get started. The powerful motor ensures efficient cutting and grinding. If you're looking for a convenient and ready-to-use solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Works great, lightweight and comfortable to use. Excellent herramienta muy potente e universal de 5.8 compatible con muchísimos discos. I have used it 3 times so far and very satisfied with the performance. It is quiet and runs smoothly. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 79 Grinder. This isn't your average grinder. It delivers the power of a 15-amp corded grinder, but with cordless convenience. Changing accessories and adjusting the guard is quick and easy, thanks to its tool-free design. No more fumbling with wrenches. The brushless motor provides 6,600 RPM, maintaining high speeds even under heavy loads. It's built to tackle tough jobs. It's built with a metal housing and gearing system, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of professional use. It's built to last. The dual-action trigger prevents accidental starts, adding an extra layer of safety to your workflow. Your safety is our priority. Upgrade your grinding and cutting with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 79 Grinder. Its power and precision redefined. What we like. This grinder delivers the power of a corded 15-amp grinder, but without the cord. The tool-free design makes accessory changes a breeze. If you need a powerful and versatile large-angle grinder, this is the one for you. What people say. I've now cut an old cast iron tub into many pieces: block, brick, tile and plater walls. This thing is a monster. I've got 2 8.0 batteries and 6 5.0 batteries. I went through both 8s and 1.5 cutting the tub, but it did the job with ease. 1950s tubs are super thick in places. Also cut 5/8 rebar and 2-inch black iron gas piping. This is like most of Milwaukee tools you've used them, a simple absolute beast. Best battery-powered, large-angle grinder in the industry by far. I'd even go as far to say best LAG in the industry period. I bought this for cutting steel at work, and the thing is a beast. It outperforms my co-worker's 9-inch steel battery cut-off saw with ease. I would recommend using 12.0 batteries if you plan on using it for long periods of time. This thing drains batteries pretty quickly. I have 3 12.0 batteries and I got through 212 of them in a day when using it all day. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Grinder. This is the Milwaukee M18 18-volt lithium-ion cordless 4 to 1 2-inch cut-off grinder. It's powerful and versatile, perfect for various cutting and grinding tasks. It boasts a robust 18-volt motor, delivering the power you need for demanding applications. Experience smooth and efficient operation. With its 4 to 1 2-inch cutting capacity, it handles a wide range of materials. It's ideal for various jobs around the house or workshop. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. It eliminates the hassle of cords, providing greater mobility and maneuverability. The lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting power and minimizes downtime. You can focus on the task at hand without worrying about battery life. This is a tool-only model, so you'll need to use it with your existing Milwaukee M18 batteries and charger. It's designed for seamless integration with your existing system. What we like. This versatile tool functions as both a cut-off tool and a grinder, offering flexibility for various tasks. Its cordless design provides freedom of movement. If you need a compact and versatile tool for smaller jobs, this is a great option. What people say. Plenty of power and agility, a very versatile package. Good tool, fast shipping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.